Hi everybody, I'm Darren DeWalt, and today we're going to make a simple chicken fettuccine alfredo. Chicken alfredo is a very famous dish that is also very simple to make. Let's get into it. For this dish, we'll need chicken, Parmesan, chicken stock, cream, parsley, fettuccine, yellow onion, garlic, salt, pepper, and cornstarch. First thing we do when preparing the chicken is remove any of the unwanted fat. After your chicken's diced, the next step will be to prepare your veggies. We'll start with dicing an onion. We'll do the same thing to our garlic. You'll probably need around 4 cloves of garlic. Now that we have our ingredients prepared and ready, let's head over to the stove. To start this simple Alfredo sauce, we're simply going to heat up our pan, add about a tablespoon of oil, and add our onions. We've added about 1 onion, and we're going to sweat this down till it's translucent and sweet. Salting your water is going to be the first step to cooking pasta. We're going to stir our water before we add our pasta. And give it a quick stir as we wait for it to come back to a simmer. Now that our onions are starting to sweat, they're turning translucent and sweetening, and we're going to go ahead and add our garlic. Now we're going to let that garlic and onion cook down. Now that our onions and garlic have been cooked, we're going to add a half a cup of chicken stock to deglaze the pan. With our chicken stock reduced down and our onions and garlic cooked, we can go ahead and add roughly a pint or 16 ounces of cream. In a saucepan with about a tablespoon of oil, add 1 chicken breast. We'll leave that to brown while we take care of our pasta. Now that our pasta is cooked, we can drain off the water. With our sauce brought to a simmer, we're going to go ahead and thicken it with a little bit of cornstarch and water. After it's added, make sure to mix it in, but this will happen very quickly. As you can see, our sauce is thickening up and we're almost done. We've lowered the heat on our sauce and we have roughly 4 ounces of grated Parmesan. We're going to add this into our sauce and mix it in. Now that our sauce is thickened and has cheese, the last thing to do is to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Now that our chicken's cooked, we can go ahead and add it to our sauce. Now to plate this up. First, we're going to add our pasta to our bowl. Now we can go ahead and add our sauce to our pasta. Last but not least, let's garnish the dish. First, we'll add a little bit of Parmesan. Then we'll finish with a little bit of parsley. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have fun in the kitchen, and I'll see you next time.